Hi besties, and welcome back to Vlogmas. I'm so excited. As you guys might have read from the title down below, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a small business owner day in my life vlog. You guys seem to really enjoy my last video like this, so I hope you enjoyed today's. I run my own small business, kellyprepsterstudio.com, which is always linked down below, but I also have a whole second YouTube channel called Kelly Prepster Studio, and I'm currently doing daily videos on both channels, and it's been so much fun, and I hope you guys have been enjoying Vlogmas as well. But if you guys can see all of these packages in the background, we need to go to the post office. We're gonna run a few errands, but I just want to get this vlog started. We just passed 400 orders today, which was so crazy, and we have a few orders we have to pull later, but I thought we could get these in the post office sooner than later. There's so many of them, and I'm so grateful. So I'm gonna put all of these in a big tote bag. Good morning besties. It is the next day and I have some stuff that I want to share with you guys that I got in an Amazon order. I am seriously so excited because last night we went to the post office after packing orders and I kind of stopped working on my small business and started reading, so I was like, I'll just pick up the vlog today. So I ordered some more bubble mailers. These are 6x9 poly mailers in rose gold cheetah and they are so cute. They come in a 100 pack. I bought them. I was like, I'm never going to go through 100 of them. We had over 100 orders last month, which is so crazy. Then I also ordered some of these letter beads. So we have the black and white, and they have the gold letters in their little circle around. I don't know if I mentioned this yet on my main channel, but in January I'm thinking about opening custom orders, and so I was like, I need some letter beads. Then I got some Christmas UVDTF stickers. So these are essentially like cup wraps, and on my site kellyprepsterstudio.com I sell these little glass cups and these go around them. So I'm so excited because I am restocking all of my cups this weekend. I'm going to be launching new ones, so I'm going to be going live later today on my YouTube channel, so I'll show you guys behind the scenes of the live. And I also wanted to share two little camera equipment things. I got this Joby, I believe that's how, tripod, I believe that's how you say it, and it's like a Joby, they call it the handy pod, and so your camera or iPhone can go on the top and you hold it when you vlog, but I've been using this for my tripod when I go live. And then I also got the, I think this went TikTok viral. It is the fill light, and it looks like this, and you light it up and it goes behind your camera, so it lights it up really nice and it clamps onto your screen of your camera. So I picked up all of this good stuff off of Amazon for my business and for filming. I'm gonna get dressed. I'm still in my PJs, but we are gonna film some bracelet videos. I'm doing beadmas on my second channel, Kelly Prepster Studio, where I'm doing daily videos. It's my own spin on Vlogmas, so it's been crazy. We've been uploading daily videos to both channels. John edits all of the bead studio videos, which really helps. He's awesome. He's so great at editing, so it's been so much fun, and we've been working together a lot on this. I just changed out of my PJs into the super casual little outfit. I feel like changing out of your PJs is such a great way to feel productive, especially if you're like working from home or working in your own office. It just is so easy. It's like an easy little thing to do to feel productive. Isn't that right, Burrow? He agrees. So I closed the curtain since I was filming a bracelet making video, and you guys, my desk is a mess, but I just finished filming the cutest holiday clay bracelet making video. So I'm gonna clean this up and then we're gonna get working on some of the cup designs that I was talking about.
A few moments later.
I just finished making this little sign for my live stream. We're about to go live on YouTube. I'm so excited. So I always write use code and then whatever it is for how much % off or free sticker. So we're using the code LIVE10 for 10% off, and our order goal is $4.15. Burrow gets so excited during live streams. We call him King Burrow on the bead channel. And I love placing this. I'll tape it on my wall above the order counter. So we're at 406, so hopefully we can get 9 more orders tonight. And it's so much fun on the lives because we shout out everyone, we make bracelets together, and this is my camera setup. So I stream off my iPhone. I know there's different ways to do this, just works for me. So I have it charging, and then it's on the Gobi tripod that I showed you guys earlier in the haul. So this is how we're gonna film. I'm gonna make sure to say hi to you guys and include everyone that was in the live. I got my lemonade, and this is in my little glass tumbler, which I just restocked all of them on my site. It's gonna be so much fun. So we got the bead setup going. We're gonna be going live. Look at everyone. This is what it looks like from my point of view. Hi, bead buddies.
Make sure everyone says hello.
Yes, use our hashtag bead buddies. It's so much fun. So this is what it looks like. It's so crazy. The comments just go. I try my best to read them all, but this is our setup. It's gonna be so much fun, so be sure to catch the lives. All right, besties, it is a few days later since I've done my live stream. We have tons of orders to pack. I'll show you guys in depth on how I store them and pull them out, but I think we have 21 orders to pack today, which I'm so excited about. But I've been sitting at my desk, and I am currently editing, and I don't think I told you guys, but my big iMac unfortunately kind of stopped working, so I just got a new MacBook, and it was like right in time for VLOGMAS, and I was like, oh no. But so I'm currently editing today's video. There's so many cute clips of Burrow in here, so I just love it. I really hope that you guys have been enjoying the daily videos as well. I feel like we kind of went from 0 to 100 really quick because I haven't been uploading consistently this year, but I'm really excited for 2024. But let me show you guys all of these orders. So when I get an order, I think I've shared this before, I put them in these little Ziploc bags because when I first started, I would get like 3 orders a week or so, and I would just kind of line them up. But now I'm getting like 21 orders a day, sometimes if I go live, you know, so it's just pure chaos, but I love it. So I put them in these bags, that way they don't get lost, everything's in there. I put the freebies in here, and I just kind of keep them in these little containers. And Black Friday was pure madness. But so with my cup orders, I try to pre-package all of the cups as well, and it's so awesome. So I put all the packing supplies in here. So we're gonna sit down and pack all of these orders because they need to get out timely, so that's what we're gonna do now. A little while later, Burrow is with me. Hi, pup. Can you say hi to the VLOGMAS besties? So I just finished packing all of those orders. I'm playing fetch with Burrow. I got a little snowman toy. But I'm gonna run to the post office tomorrow. I just don't feel like leaving the house, and I'm kind of in my PJs. But I've been working on a mid-month launch, and it's been so cute. But I have all of these festive cups that I'm gonna be launching, and I hope that they can get out and I can get it all done before the holidays, and so that they can get there before Christmas. But let me go show them to you guys. So I tried to line them up so you guys could see them, but they're so cute. I've been working really hard on these in the evenings, and they're just so fun. I love this one. It reminds me of those little Debbie cupcakes and stuff, and this one has little wiener dogs on it. They're so cute. My personal favorite is the hot cocoa and Christmas movies, but they're just so cute. I have this one, and I just restocked all of my other holiday cups. But I'm seriously so excited for all of these holiday cups. Be sure to check out my website, Kelly Prepster Studio, on Monday, December 11th. That is when the launch is going to be going live, and I'm playing it really tight because I believe December 15th is the last ship day, so any order that's on the 13th or before will probably get there before Christmas. After that, it's kind of iffy, but I'm going to be making that very crystal clear on my site, just because any orders placed after the 13th, I cannot guarantee they will get there by Christmas. But it is my first holiday season with my new site, and oh my gosh, you guys, it's been so much fun. I've enjoyed every single minute. It's been pure chaos, but in the best way, and I have you guys to thank. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini studio vlog. I want to do more videos like this on both of my channels, but if you guys want to see more behind the scenes of my business, be sure to check out Kelly Prepster Studio on YouTube. I'm doing my version of Vlogmas called Beadmas over there, where where I upload every single day. I don't want you guys to miss out, and I hope you guys have been enjoying these daily videos as well. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. I also want to do a video similar like this where it's multiple days combined into one video, but do like a reading style. So if that's something you guys would like to see, let me know in the comments down below. I've been loving these daily videos because I feel like we really get to chit chat. So thank you, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow with another Vlogmas video. Bye besties!